What's up, creatives? Welcome back to CreArtiPen Studio. If you've ever wanted to design something cool, but had no idea where to start, don't worry, I got you. Today, we're diving into Canva for beginners. No stress, no boring tech talk, just fun, easy design magic. And hey, if you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com or download the Canva app on your phone. Sign up if you don't have an account. Canva is free to use, but there's also a pro version. But don't worry, the free version already has a lot you can do. Once you're logged in, click the purple Create a Design button at the top right. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of design options. There's one for presentations, educational slides, and all kinds of social media sizes like posts, stories, and thumbnails. Let's choose Instagram post as an example. As you can see in the top right, there's a box where you can name your file. Click it and type in whatever you want to call your design. After that, we're ready to start designing. If you're not sure how to begin, no problem. Canva has ready-made templates you can choose from. Just pick one you like and start editing. After picking the template you like, just click on any text or image to edit it. You can change the words, choose a new font, adjust colors, or even move things around. In Canva, elements are shapes, lines, graphics, stickers, and more. You'll find them on the left side under the Elements tab. Just search for what you need, like hearts, arrows, or frames. Then click to add it to your design. As you can see, under Elements there are graphics, photos, shapes, and even videos. You can use any of them to make your design more fun and creative. You can also go back if you make a mistake. Just click the Undo button at the top left. You can rotate anything like text, images, or shapes. Just click on it. Then drag the little rotate icon below it to turn it any way you want. You can also duplicate anything. Just click on it, then hit the duplicate button on top. It's a fast way to copy text, images, or elements. If you want to add new text, click on the Text tab on the left. Then choose a style like a heading, subheading, or body text. Or just click on any text in your design, then type whatever you want. You can change the font by clicking the font name at the top. Canva has tons of styles. From simple to fancy, just pick the one you like. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun Canva tips. To add a photo from your gallery, just click Uploads on the left side. Then tap Upload Files and choose a picture from your device. Did you know you can actually draw in Canva too? Just go to the tool, pick a brush, choose a color, and start sketching right on your design. I just changed the picture, and if you're curious how I put it inside the Polaroid frame, comment how down below and I'll show it in the next video. If you want to see your work in full screen, just look down. You'll see a button that lets you preview your design. You'll also see options like Add Page and Duplicate Page below your design. And right beside it, you'll find the Delete button. Click it if you want to remove a page you don't need. Once you're done and you like your design, just click the Share button at the top right and you'll see the download option. Click it, choose your file type and hit download. You now know how to use Canva like a pro. Go ahead and start creating your awesome designs.